Como lo predije. Así sucedió. Como.
A conjunction meaning as, or, like. Pronounced.
Koh-moh.
The
O.
is pronounced like the O in go, and the H is silent. It introduces a comparison or similarity, establishing a relationship between the two clauses.
Lo.
A pronoun meaning it or him. Pronounced.
Lo.
The
O.
is pronounced like the O in go. It refers to the prediction mentioned in the previous context.
Predije.
The first person singular preterite, simple past tense, form of the verb.
Predecir.
Meaning, to predict. Pronounced.
Preh-dee-hay.
The
Ya.
sounds like the H in house. It indicates the action of predicting something that previously occurred.
Así.
An adverb meaning thus, so, or like this. Pronounced.
Así.
The
Se.
sounds like the S in sun. It indicates the manner in which something happened, connecting the prediction to the result.
Sucedió.
The third person singular preterite, simple past tense, form of the verb.
Suceder.
Meaning, to happen, or to occur. Pronounced.
Sucedió.
The
K.
before
E.
sounds like the S in sun, and the D is softly pronounced. It describes the event that happened as predicted. Putting it together.
Como lo predije. Así sucedió.
Means, as I predicted. So it happened, or, just as I predicted. It happened. It expresses the fulfillment of a previous prediction, emphasizing the accuracy of the prediction.